Hello, welcome to O-Level English class. This class is for students preparing for WAEC, NECO, GCE or any other examination. In our class today, we will be looking at the vowel sounds. The vowel sounds of English language. And what are vowel sounds? Vowel sounds are English sounds produced without obstructions in the vocal cords. That means the sounds come out freely from the vocal cords. And there are 25 vowel sounds in English language. We have 12 monothongs and 5 triphthongs. Today we are looking at monothongs. Monothongs are also known as pure vowels. That means one vowel nucleus. They are one vowel nucleus. And we have 7 long or lax monothongs and 5 short or tense monothongs. They all make 12 altogether. Here, number 1, we have E, the E sound. That is the short E or tense E. E as in bit. Number 2, E as in beat. This is the long E sound. Beat. Then you have number 3, R. R as in cat. Number 4, R as in cards. Number 5, O as in pot. And number 6, O, the long O, as in port. Number 7, U, as in pool. U, as in pool. Number 8, U, as in pool. This is the short U sound, and this is the long U sound. Number 9, E, as in egg. Number 10, this will be the long sound. As in shirt. Then 11, This is also known as the schwa vowel sound. And it is pronounced as in about. This word is not about. About. Number 12, as in ankle. As in umbrella. These are the 12 vowel sounds. A good knowledge of your vowel sounds will help you in your English examinations. It will help you in the test of orals in your WAEC, NECO, GCE or JAM examinations. In our next class, we will be talking about diphthongs. Before then, keep reading. See you in the next class. Bye.